Hello everyone. This question appears in Classics NCERT chapter of Knowing Our Number. This is fourth question of its exercise 1.2. So the question says that Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of the June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So, firstly हमें given है price of books sold in first week. ये हमें given है 2,85,891 rupees and price of books sold in second week. ये given है 4,768 rupees. So हमें find out करना है how much was sale for the 2 weeks together. So ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास price of books sold in both weeks together. तो ये हमारे पास 2,85,891 plus 4,768. तो ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 6,86,659 rupees. And next question हमारे पास in which week was the sale greater and by how much? So ये हो जाएगा हमारा difference in the sale in both weeks. तो डिफरेंस जाएगा हमारा 4,768 minus 2,85,891. इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे हम तो हो जाएगा हमारा 7 8 4 1 1 rupees. So आंसर हो जाएगा हमारे पास क्वेश्चन था इन विच वीक वॉज द सेल ग्रेटर एंड बाई हाउ मच. सो इन सेकेंड वीक तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास सेकेंड वीक बाई 1,14,877 rupees. That's our final answer. Thank you.